Staying accountable in reaching your financial goals involves creating a structured plan and regularly tracking your progress. Start by setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Break these down into smaller milestones that make the process less overwhelming. One effective method is to share your goals with a trusted friend or family member who can provide support and encouragement. Regular check-ins with this accountability partner can help you stay focused and motivated. Additionally, consider using budgeting apps or financial tracking tools that allow you to monitor your spending and savings in real time. These tools can provide valuable insights and highlight areas for improvement. Another useful strategy is to establish a reward system for achieving milestones. Treating yourself to something enjoyable when you reach a goal can reinforce positive behavior and keep you motivated. Finally, regularly review your financial plan to assess your progress and make adjustments as needed. Life circumstances may change, so being flexible and adapting your approach is crucial. By combining these strategies, you can create a robust framework for accountability, helping you stay committed to your financial goals and ultimately achieve financial stability.